Let us continue with next one. Question number 17. If 50% of the reactant, already we have done with this. Question number 17 we have finished. So sorry, let us go with question number 18. The rate of a reaction increases with rise in temperature because of increase in number of activated molecules, increase in energy of activation, decrease in energy of activation, increase in the number of effective collisions. So here we should know that there are two effects. There are two effects of increase in temperature. Means when the temperature is increased, we can notice two effects. The first one is that the collision intensity, that is number of activated molecules, increases. And second one, collisions will be maximum. So here when we analyze with this, the first option, increase in the number of activated molecules, that is also correct, because as the temperature increases, there is an increase in the collision intensity, that is the activated molecules goes on increases, and increase in the number of effective collisions, because as the activated molecules increases, the number of collisions also goes on increases, that is option D. So here for this question there are two options. One is option A, which is given with increase in the number of activated molecules. The other one is option D, which is increase in the number of effective collisions. Next one, question number 19. Temperature coefficient of a reaction is 2. When the temperature is increased from 30 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius, the rate of reaction is increased by. So here we know that if the temperature is increased by 10 degrees Celsius, the rate of a reaction gets doubled. So we know this concept. Here the temperature in the given question, the temperature is increased from 30 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius. So from this we can understand that temperature is increased by how much? 60 degrees Celsius. Therefore rate is equal to 2 to the power of 6 times, because if there is an increase in 10 degrees Celsius, rate get doubles, means the temperature is increased from 30 to 90 degrees Celsius, that is total 60 degree raise, which is given by, or which is given with 2 to the power of 6 times. 2 to the power of 6 times means how many times? It is 64 times. So this 64 times is given by the option what? Is given by the option B. Next one, question number 20. So when we go through with question number 20, here an equation has been given, that is A, which is present in gaseous phase, upon decomposition gives rise to P in gaseous phase, Q in gaseous phase, as well as R in gaseous phase. Follows first order kinetics with a half-life. So they have given T half. T half is how much? That is 69.3 seconds at 500 degrees Celsius. Temperature is how much? 500 degrees Celsius. Starting from the gas A enclosed in a container at 500 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 0.4 atmosphere. The total pressure of the system after 230 seconds will be. So here they have given the T half, that is 69.3 seconds, and time factor. Here 69.3 seconds is the T half, and they have given the time. Even they have mentioned the time as how much? 230 seconds. So time is equal to 230 seconds. Temperature they have given it as 500 degree Celsius. And what is the initial pressure that they have mentioned? And that a pressure of 0.4 atmosphere. The pressure is how much? 0.4 atmosphere. So we know that the first order reaction is given by the equation with relevance to half-life is K is equal to 0.693 divided by T half. So we know the value of T half, that is 0.693. 0.693 divided by T half is how much? That is 69.3 seconds, which turns out to be 0.01 per second is the value of K with reference to T half. So by knowing the value of K, we can go through with first order reaction. So when I calculate the K with reference to when I calculate the K with reference to T half, K is equal to 0.693 divided by T half, that is the value of K is 0.01 second. So if I consider according to the first order equation, that is K is equal to 2.303 by T into log of A divided by A minus X, on substituting the values, that is 2.303, time factor it has been mentioned as how much, that is 230 seconds, into log of what is the value of A, that is the initial atmosphere 0.4 minus X. So upon substituting the values, here they have mentioned the value of T, the value of A, here we have to identify the value of X, and they have mentioned one more factor here, the rate has been calculated, which is given by 0.01 seconds. Now even for K I can substitute. Therefore further this can be analyzed as the value of K we have identified. Value of K is given by what? 0.01, that is 2.303 divided by time is 230 seconds into log of 0.4 divided by 0.4 minus of X. So 2.303 divided by 230 is again 0.01. I can rewrite it as 0.01 divided by 0.01 is equal to log of 0.4 divided by 0.4 minus X. So 1 is equal to log of 0.4 divided by 0.4 minus X. If I take log towards this side, it becomes anti-log of 1. Anti-log of 1 is 10. So 10 is equal to 0.4 divided by 0.4 minus X, which implies the value of X is equal to 0.36. So if I simplify, the value of X comes out to be 0.36. So according to the given equation, the given equation is what? A, which is existing in gaseous phase, that will give rise to P in gaseous phase, Q in gaseous phase, as well as R in gaseous phase. So when I go with the initial concentration, that is the initial pressure is 0.4, and with reference to products it will be 0. So when it comes to the final one, that is 0.4 minus what is the value of X? It is 0.36. Hence the product will be how much? 0.36, 0.36 and 0.36. Now they are asking us to calculate the total pressure. Therefore the total pressure is equal to the sum of the individual partial pressures, that is 0.4 minus of 0.36 plus of 3 times of this, that is 3 into 0.36, which comes out to be 1.12 atmosphere. So this 1.12 atmosphere is given by the option D. Okay, now